Hi there, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today we're taking you guys through a brokerage listing. We have a 2023 very lightly used Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard version. Really nice boat in amazing condition. Starting here along the exterior, we have the quantum blue full hull side color with the upgraded sports tower. We did select the white piping with the black canvas up on top. Nice upgrade along the back. We have the upgraded Mercury 250 V8 upgraded to white. Everything here is in really nice condition. This boat's been very lightly used, probably about 25 hours on the engine. We have the dune interior package. As we step on here, we have a nice ladder to board. So again, we have the dune interior package with the full sea deck upgrade throughout the entire boat. This backrest here will flip forward. To create a nice lounging area, and then just as easily it flips back in the other direction, creating a spacious cockpit. All of the upholstery is in immaculate condition. Both of these backrest on port and starboard side will fold back and forth to expand your seating. Lots of shade. At the dash, we have the upgraded Simrad 12-inch display. Fully touchscreen with all of your audio, engine information, chart plotting, and depth configured in. We have Mercury throttle and shift, fully digital. Very spacious area down below. Portable head with pump out. Dockside pump out. Port side walkthrough up to the bow. Lots of additional social space in this area. Again, this is a 2023 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Very, very lightly used, listed with MarineMax Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. Please feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811 to learn a little bit more about this boat. This boat is off-site and is going to be listed for $109,500. Thank you for watching.